Trig function, lesson 6, video 2. It says, from the unknown angle, decide which two sides you have. Decide which trig function that you're going to use. Set up the problem and solve using the second function. So, number 1, we're trying to find this angle. We know adjacent, and always across from 90 is the hypotenuse. So we know hypotenuse and adjacent, AH. So TOA. So we need CAH, so cosine of, we don't know the angle, so we're going to call it D, equals side adjacent, which is 28, over the hypotenuse, which is 45. So this is going to make a decimal. So what we're going to do is we're going to go second cosine, and we're going to put this fraction in here. So D's angle is 51.52. I think it said go to the 10th, so that would be 51.5 degrees. And number 2, we're looking at angle K. Here's our hypotenuse, and we know adjacent. So we know A and H again. So again, that's cosine of K equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So second cosine, 17 divided by 23, and that is 42.3 degrees. Number 3. I guess it wants us to find angle S. So, angle S, so the measure of angle S. If we're standing here, we know opposite and adjacent. So that's TOA. So tangent of S equals opposite 9 over adjacent 25. And second tangent, 9 divided by 25. This angle right here is 19.8. Now let's find angle R. Angle R, this would be side opposite, and this would be adjacent. So again, we're going to use tangent. But look what happens to our numbers. They're not the same. So second tangent, 25 divided by 9, 70.2. If I were there at school, I would ask you, how could we check to make sure that these angles are correct? If we added all 3 angles, we should get what? 180 degrees, and we sure do.